Hey neighbors, welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new, welcome to the neighborhood. Alright y'all, so as y'all can see by that title, I'm going to be unboxing my package from SlayedBy.Kae. If y'all don't know what SlayedBy.Kae is, it's basically like it's a black owned company for one. Let's get there, black owned, yeah. And then she specializes in hair spectrums, like for hair growth, facial products, skincare, you know guys, just stuff like that. I'm gonna insert her let me go to her Instagram. I'm gonna insert it in here, on here. And let me get the facts right, y'all. So she has healing skin, hair, and feminine products, nourishing and organic products. Y'all can't beat that. You can't. And yeah, there's just that on it. So y'all, I'm gonna insert her. I'm also gonna put the things in the description below. And y'all also stay tuned, because for furthermore, I'm going to give an update on this product later on. But right now, this is just going to be my unboxing and basically how my opinion is based off my first looks on the package and etc. So yeah, so if y'all want to see the next video, then y'all going to be able to see that in my description. You may not see it right away if y'all watched it like right away, but you may see it at least like a month after this upload, or probably even sooner than that. But yeah guys, so we're gonna get straight into it. So first, this is the package. It is so pretty and it's pink, so you know your girl love pink. I'm gonna turn the light up for y'all. I wanted to give off a natural look for my intro, but I'm gonna turn the light up. Yeah, so it's pink, so I ain't gonna show y'all the other side because I got my info on here. But yeah, so I'm about to open it. I'm struggling. So yeah y'all, okay, this is cute. I love the packaging, even though I'm not done. But yeah, it says package it. Let me finish opening it. So it is in a box, just a regular box, and it has her logo on here. It is so cute. I love it because it's pink. I love everything pink. Y'all know I'm a sucker for pink. Like, I got pink on right now, like, period. Okay y'all, so I'm about to open it up. And yeah, I feel like it's so strong, like I can already smell the stuff. Okay y'all, so this is it. It's so pretty. She basically gave me her business card. I'm gonna take a picture of it. Shout out to SlayedBy.Kae, because period, she made sure this got to me, y'all. I don't even think that she lives in the same city as me. I really don't. Oh, I got hair on my hands. Okay. It says, "Hey SlayedBy, thank you for your recent order. We appreciate you and for supporting our brand. Please do not be afraid to post reviews and send us selfies. We hope you love your products and hope to see you shopping again soon. Kae Simone." Period. I love it. It has this pretty, just pink packaging. Like, yes, like, I just love it. It's so cute. And this is basically just showing this layout right here, y'all. It's basically showing me how to use it. So it says facial care. Implement our products into your facial care routine. Apply for cleansing. Be sure to let facial scrubs sit for 10 minutes. Use daily for 2 to 3 weeks results. Hair care, implement as needed. Hair oil daily for results, even twice a day. Hair mask once or twice a week. Be sure to clean hair before use. Body care, use during baths or showers. Foaming scrubs, cleanse, and exfoliate. Use as needed for results. Period. I like that. It's giving very much professional, as she should. Now we got to get into the opening of this. Like, it's so pretty. Like, oh my god, it's so cute. I love how she boxed it. It's beautiful. I don't know if that's the product smelling like that, or because I did just put like some grease in my head, but it smells like really strong. I don't know if that's the product in my head or that's the package, like, because I was smelling it before I even listened to y'all. But oh, I'm sorry y'all, because yeah, I'm doing like 2 things at one time. So yeah, I'm about to open it, and it is this. So she gave me a hair spectrum, and this was really a surprise because I didn't know what she was gonna give me. But yeah, that's definitely the product that smells like that, and it smells so good and so strong. Like, oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. It smells good. Like, this junk is strong. Like, you can smell it before you even open the box. But it's a good smell, so that's good. And then she gave me this, which is also her. I'm not really sure what this is, but let me open it and see. I don't know what this is. Is it bad that I don't know what this is? Like, I think it goes on your eye, but I don't want to test it and do the wrong thing. Yeah, I don't know what this is, but it smells good just like the other one. And period, this is how it looks. Smells really good. And that's all she gave me, guys. So basically it is this and this, and they smell so good. They're so pretty, and of course I love it because it's pink. And I'm about to put some in my hair actually right now. I wanted to go in the bathroom, have a bathroom scene, like a bathroom clip, but I don't really feel like doing it. I'm gonna put it in my head. And then next time, for my next video, I'm gonna give y'all an updated review on how it worked for my hair. But y'all know, if you don't really know how to use these, you basically just put it, leave it in there, and then you just press the little thingy at the top, squeeze it, and then yeah, until you see it's in there. I'm addicted to the smell, guys, but oh, I guess I'm moving too slow. Hold up. I'm gonna put it right here on my part, cause yeah. I'm sorry, I keep sniffing it every time, but it just smells so good. I'm gonna put some right here by my. Just making sure it's all around, everywhere in my head. Yeah, I want to put it like under here and stuff like that, but it's hard when you have a sew-in, like, and plus this sew-in is kind of a little still fresh, so I can't really get to places and spaces where I want to get to. So it's just like, I can't really get to the places, but I'm gonna try to get to the places as much as I can. Or I could wait till my hair loosen up. But I want to do this just for y'all. So yeah, I do have a piece of my hair like on this side, like that's not really, that's out. So because my edges are out a little bit, so I can put some on my edges. right here. I hope it doesn't. Up until my sewing loosens up a bit for me to put it in the other spaces. But yeah guys, this is so bomb. Thank you SlayedBy.Kae, period. I gotta find out what this is. I definitely gotta find out what this is. But I'm gonna use this also. And yeah. Okay guys, so I found out what this is for, and it's for my eyelashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it right here in front of y'all face, cause yeah, period. But yeah y'all, I will see y'all in the next updated video, and I will let y'all know how it turned out on my hair and etc. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be using this for sure as much as I can. Even if I can't get to like the back spaces of my head and stuff, I'll just use it right here up in the front of my head, because I gotta use it some way. But yeah guys, I hope y'all like this video. Please make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure y'all go shop with my girl, because yeah, period. I will have her stuff in the description, on the screen, and as much detailed as possible. And yeah,